Hi guys, Tonya here from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over Bicep 21's. So 21's just means 21 reps. We have 7 reps of full bicep curls and then 14 reps half curls. So we start off standing up nice and tall with 2 dumbbells in your hand. Your feet are going to be at hips width apart, soft bend in your knees. Dumbbells are going to start just in front of your body. You're going to pull your shoulder blades back so you have a nice and tall posture. We're going to start off with 7 standard bicep curls. Pulling that dumbbell all the way up to the top where your shoulders are, squeezing your biceps at the end range of motion, and making sure that you're coming all the way down with these bicep curls. After you've completed 7 curls, you're going to stop with both of the dumbbells at the bottom, and then you're going to half curl up to 90 degrees for another 7. Our last half curl is going to start from the center, and you're going to go all the way from the center up to the top. Finish off your 21's with your final 7. As always, make sure you keep your core tight throughout the whole range of motion, shoulders squeezed so your posture is nice and tall. And those are Bicep 21's.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!